Bok Tower Gardens. Wow!
Oh! 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 Oh!
Just for the gardens, or would you guys like to tour the mansion today as well?
Ooh,
You wanna do the mansion or what?
Sure.
Alright, we'll do the mansion too.
Perfect. Hand them those green tickets and they'll let you in when the next tour goes through.
Right
Awesome,
on.
thank you.
You guys have a wonderful day.
Thank
You
you
too.
too.
Thank you.
Gonna tour the mansion. King of the castle. King of the castle.
Hero.
Hey, this is pretty cool.
Go for Tortoise Crossing.
I was just looking up the temp. It's 85 degrees right now. But it feels like it's 93. And the humidity is 74%.
Well, that's why, because it's humid as fucking hell out here.
You dying, baby?
Yeah. Sweat is just running off my forehead right now. Running.
My upper lip is sweating. It looks like the even this is like fogging up a little.
It is.
The bugs that are out here are so cool. Loads of moths, butterflies, dragonflies. We saw signs that there are tortoises out here as well.
Like wild ones.
Like wild
not like
tortoises.
ones they brought in for fun. Like a zoo. Like they made it seem like they were just roaming out here. Like that's just, you might just walk up on a, what was it, a gopher tortoise?
Yeah. I have these cute brown sandals that I'm wearing, but they make fart sounds every couple steps that I take. They weep, weep. So it just sounds like I'm squeezing one out every couple steps.
Right, blame it on the sand.
It is my sandals.
Oh, no way. Whoa. You can use the thing as a car.
That's really cool.
Isn't that insane?
We just noticed that you could get food out of there and feed the koi fish. Super cute.
You can go that way if you want, but the fastest way to the
Oh, let's go this way.
Aviery or whatever is this way.
Oh, look at that fat ass spider! Oh my gosh!
Oh my god.
I don't even think you can see it on here. Love, can you get a picture of that sucker?
Give me time to change my camera.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. It's got a red booty. Its legs, 'Legs' are like these pinstriped colors. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. It's got a red booty. Its legs are like these pinstriped colors. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. It's got a red booty. Its legs are like these pinstriped colors. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. It's got a red booty. Its legs are like these pinstriped colors. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. It's got a red booty. Its legs are like these pinstriped colors. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. It's got a red booty. Its legs are like these pinstriped colors. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. It's got a red booty. Its legs are like these pinstriped colors. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. It's got a red booty. Its legs are like these pinstriped colors. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. It's got a red booty. Its legs are like these pinstriped colors. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. It's got a red booty. Its legs are like these pinstriped colors. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. It looks so cool and spooky. This sucker, I really don't think you can tell. I don't think so. But, oh, he looks cool. Oh, I'm sorry.
Ow.
I'm sorry. All right, so we were taking pictures, and I noticed that there was another one of those really big spiders that I had saw earlier. Love's taking another picture of it, but it's close enough to where I think I can get it on the GoPro. These things look freaking wild. There's a lot of horned orb weaver spiders out here, so I feel like this is what they are, but I could be wrong. Someone told us that it's a banana spider. Why do you think they're called banana spiders? Do you think they just like chill on nanners, or?
It's either the yellow color or they like banana trees, one or the other. I mean, that's the only thing I can think. I assume it's either because they got those really bright yellow spots or like lines on them, or because maybe they like to hang out in the banana trees. Or maybe it's a mixture of both. Maybe they evolved to be yellow over thousands of years because they hang out in banana trees.
Oh, this is true. This is true.
Back in the car. That was really pretty. A very, very nice experience. And it wasn't that expensive. The tickets are $17 per person, and then if you want to take the tour of the mansion, it's $7 per person. Definitely not required, but you could spend like all day there. I think it would be really nice if you you know, take some food with you.
And the mansion tour isn't required, but I'd suggest it. I thought it was really, really cool in there.
It's really nice to see how everything was back then. And not all of it, but most of that stuff was all original from the original owner that was there.
I'm not even usually one for like, I don't know, like you know, architecture or like stuff like that, but the inside of that house was friggin' beautiful. It was so nice in there. That was crazy. I mean, it was more, like I said, I'm not really one for like architecture and stuff necessarily, but more just like, you literally felt like you were like going back in time. Like, it was really cool in there. Everything's like you said, mostly original and stuff, and it was freaking nice.
But now we are off to go get some brews and pizza. We found this cool tap room, and it's one of those self-serve ones. So you go and they give you like a little bracelet, and then you tap whichever beer you want to have and self-pour yourself. And then in the back they have a fire oven or brick oven pizza. So yeah, we'll see you there.
Bye.
You say what? How'd you get so out of your mind? Oh. Don't be ashamed of who you are. That's your parents' job. Oh, we have arrived. That's dope. Wow, and it doesn't look like there's a lot of people.
It's sweet, it's a cream.
Ooh. Good?
It tastes like a cream, what do they call them?
A cream soda?
Yeah, it tastes like a cream soda almost.
Oh yeah.
It's still 10%.
Pumpkin baby. I think this is a great way to, not really end your day, but like a good next thing to do, you know? We got some pizza, brews. We're gonna play What Do You Mean? Okay, we're done. We're done with the game. But look at our last one. This is it. Isn't that great?
Hello. We're at Manatee Springs. And the water's really, really cold.
Yeah, it's cold as shit. I wasn't expecting it to be cold. I mean, like, I'm getting used to it, so it's not so bad, but I was not expecting it to be cold like this. I thought it was supposed to be like a hot spring or something. It's fucking freezing.
We got here earlier and this is the parking was full, and then we went and stopped at this place and had some pizza and some brews, and then we came back and got lucky and came in. But it's been raining off and on all day.
I wonder if they can see under the water.
Maybe.
So it's kind of gross. I mean, it's beautiful, but the ground, like where I'm walking underneath the water, is slimy as shit. I got slimy feet right now. I'm not very happy about it. But it's definitely beautiful out here. I bet it looks a lot more tropical and nice when it's not cloudy and rainy as shit. It's like raining out right now. But it's pretty nice, all in all. Doing okay?
Yeah. It's rocky right here.
Yeah, my feet hurt. I'm surprised you can go even further. There's like a bridge up there. Like, I thought this was it, you know? But now I'm looking and it's like you can go way up there.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. You can actually see now, that whole time it was looking really like foggy, and I thought it was like just because it's cloudy out, but it's just because there was like a fog over the lens.
Oh, the current. It's so hard to walk.
Well, disregard everything I said before, because as of now we should start recording. It looks way nicer like this. It was all foggy and ugly
Look
before.
how beautiful it looks out here. I'm so scared, but this is really cool.
Scared of a gator or what?
I'm like not going anywhere.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I'm tired already. I'm not even swimming much. I can't even move. The current like picked up. Come this way. Careful the log. I'm on it. Don't kick it. It's okay. Okay. We made it.
It's so hard. Ow.
It is pretty tropical though, huh?
Yeah, it is.
All the palm trees and everything. It's pretty cool.
It's so cold.
Yeah, I figured you're freezing. I'm cold, so I figured you're fucking freezing.
Yeah.
You ready to swim back?
Yeah.
Since you've seen it?
We got to see a manatee live. Did you lose the sandal?
Yeah, I got it.
4 times now.
I tripped over that. No. Luckily they float once.